In this video, I'm going to be doing an energy check of what is coming next in your life. Is there a big change that is coming up? Have you been waiting for a major shift in your life, a transition in your life, in some aspect of the life? Is there anything that is coming true? Is there a big wish or a big miracle or, a manifestation of yours that is coming true? What exactly is happening? What is the condition of your life, your mind, and, things moving ahead is what I'm going to see in this video. Hi, my name is Nidisha, and if this video helps you, don't forget to like and also subscribe my channel for more videos. I also do personal readings. The link of it is in the description. Now let's get started. Let's see what is coming up. Is there a big change that you're expecting, that you've been praying for? Is it coming true or not? Where is your life going? I'm going to be giving you piles to choose in this particular video from, pile 1 and pile 2 to see what exactly is happening with you. Now, all you're supposed to do is, from these pile, you have to choose any one that you're drawn and attracted to. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Let's see where is your life headed. Pile 1, pile 2. Choose any one. Let's begin with pile 1 first. I'm also going to see universe message for you as well. Now, what is coming up? Is there a big change, big shift, something that you need to know about this condition that you're stuck up in? All right. Now, what I see from your energies, current energies right now, is that you have been a little trying to feel a little sorry about your situation. There's some regret that you're having about something that went wrong, somewhere that you invested your emotions into, but it just didn't work out the way you wanted. Because along with that, I see a love card, emotion card. You've been emotional for somebody a little way too much. Now, that can be a friend, that can be a lover, that can be a condition in any area of your life. But you've had a lot of expectations from somebody. Some promises that were made to you, but it did not come through the way it should. And that has made you a little more inconfident about your situation. You're not able to speak up now. You know that you're right. You know that you deserve this, but you're not getting there. You're not reaching there. This can also be something to do with, your career, where there was something given to you, there was a promise made to you, you did everything that is required to give your best to finish that project, to give your best in that particular domain of yours, but that did not come through, and you just felt that everything is deceiving. You feel like your trust is broken. You feel like this is not what I deserve, this is not what I am worth of, and your prayers are not being heard, is what is going on in your mind right now. These are the current energies though. But I'm going to see what is it that, what is it that is coming up? Like, how are you getting through this situation? Where is it that you're going next in your life? Now, there is going to be somebody around you is going to, there's a change possibly that is coming up. Now, you need to put an end to this. Some people around you are really not healthy for you and are not also wishing good for you. And you're still hopeful about them to be good to you. Is the biggest mistake that you're actually doing right now in your life. You're taking help and you're seeking help of wrong people. You're trusting wrong people. Somebody has just gone completely against what your will was and what your expectations and what your faith in them was. However, and somebody will also, for some of you, there's somebody who would try to break your trust in the matter of money and finances. So going forward, you have to be a little more careful of who you trust in the matter of money, in the matter of finances. Are you sharing your secrets with somebody? Are you sharing your success with somebody? Somebody around you knows that you're very successful and, you are going to be successful, and you are going to go really ahead in your life, and is with you only for that reason. And when they actually see their benefit coming true, this person will just leave you. Now, because there are work cards and career cards that have come up, I see this can be a colleague of yours. This can be a friend, maybe academically a friend you've been studying with, or somebody that you've been trusting at workplace as well, who is going to actually show their true colors to you. Somebody is going to show the true colors to you, is what I see from all these cards of heartbreak and, realizing the mistake and then taking trusting wrong people and giving commitments to the wrong people, and the wrong people breaking their trust, and not being honest to you, basically. Some of you will also see that you've done a lot for your partner, like for that special one, but the special one is not helping you when you need them, when you are in dire need of them. So right now, you need to make your own way and you need to fight your own battle. There's a lot of dependency you're having on other people, a lot of trust that you're having on other people, and very little in your own self. I would want to ask, why is it so? Why are you not trusting yourself? In fact, the moment you start, because this energy is exactly what I'm trying to say. There's such a strong channelized energy. This is the card of being exclusive, being self-centric. And I literally would use the word selfish also. Trust me, the day you start becoming selfish and the day you stop talking to people about what you've achieved in your life and how much problems you've had in your life and how much you've struggled in your life, is exactly when you will start. Like the day you start appreciating how far you've come without making other people appreciate you or support you or emotionally help you, is exactly the time when you will see your value or your worth being respected. That respect is not coming to you because people feel you're too weak. And that's why they are taking advantage of you. But are you really weak? Are you really inconfident? You do have that talent. You do have that knowledge. You do have that love inside you. Why are you knocking wrong doors? So the big message that universe wants to give you is stop knocking wrong doors. Stop, I would say, serving wrong people, and stop looking for external validation. That is exactly why you're feeling stuck up, and that's why your life is not moving ahead, and that's why you're not able to take decisions. It's been a long time that you've not taken a big decision as well in your life. This is exactly the time for you to now take that big move and big decision, even if it be change in location, to leaving some people in your life, even your own people, even if that be your own family members. Put a break to them, start saying no, and see how your life changes. I'm also going to see in the upcoming days what's the new update for your life. But if so far this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe and also like. Now I'm going to see for the pile 2, what is coming up in your life. What's the big change? What action should you be taking? And what action that you take will bring also the big change or, a big transition in your life. Let's see what are the messages for you. Okay, now I see your cycle of money, finances, and career is changing for the good. Specifically, if you have been waiting for a foreign travel or even travel within the country but some other city or some other state of yours, these both cards have come as the card of travel. There's some very big, very, very happy, abundant travel that is going to happen in your life. This looks more for the career, for the work, for the business. However, even if it's in the form of, trip or vacation, this will be a lucky travel. Basically, the next move that you take is going to be a lucky move. Again, the travel card has come up. Adventure card has come up. New people, new social network, new connection, new power, new lead, new position, people reaching you out, people wanting to be friends with you. Now you're like, I don't have the time. I don't want to, have a lot of friends. I don't want to talk to a lot of people. But people want to come to you. They need you. They like being around you. They like your aura. They want recognition because they know that you have the potential to grow in your life. And there is some new success. This is the card of success, and this is the card of leadership, and this is the card of, literally going to the next level of life. This is basically the card where you will see things that you've been literally not getting since this last 1 year or 10 to 12 months will now come in your favor. And suddenly you will see that how did I land up this particular company, this particular venture, and in a way where it will come walking to you. It's not like you are anymore, you've given up. Like you've almost given up in this situation. You're like, I've tried a lot. I've done a lot. You've done everything possible. And you're like, now have no more energy left. And the moment you feel that, and the moment you just let it go, that's exactly when something will knock your email or somebody will come up and be a well-wisher for you and will literally give you what you've been waiting for. So your prayers are coming true specifically in your career and in the matter of finances. And if you've been dreaming and waiting for a very, say, happy, some luxurious vacation, some trip, some, a trip where you literally enjoy, where you literally cherish memories and make memories, that trip is also coming true. Probably this looks more with your friends, somebody with, people you love, basically, is what I mean. That can be friends also and somebody close to you as well, but your own people. This is not like a solo trip. This is this is with your loved ones. And you're going to feel so contented and satisfied in your life within next almost 2 to 3 weeks itself. It's not even a long wait. 2 to 3 weeks itself, you will see this change coming your way. And also, for some of you, you will see that there's a lot of attention card that has come up. You will suddenly be like, people who did not even like me, people who did not even talk to me, including if you're committed or, even if you're single, new people would try to reach you out on DM to, want to meet you, to your aura, your energy will attract a lot of people. Have you been doing something? Have you cleansed your energy or something that people are wanting to reach out to you? People are wanting you. People are desperately needing you. There's so much desperate energies that I get here. And also I see that you will receive this for the longest of the time. That company that you've been not getting, that friends that you've not been getting, will all come through. And you will see that now you're being asked before making any decision. You're the one making the decision. You are the one who would decide what to do at workplace as well. You would not need to ask anybody. But with the power card, I see that people will come to you for help, and you will be the one making that decision. So it's really a very transitional energy. You need to claim this. This energy is so strong. And I'm sure that your phase and your stuck up energy and your, emotional downfall is now, that break in the life that had come up is now no more. In fact, you'll be like, I don't even have time to even take rest right now. That is the amount of work that is going to come your way. That is the amount of project that would land your way. So if this has helped you, and if you want me to check more such messages ahead in your life, don't forget to like and also comment what more videos do you want. Subscribe the channel for more such videos. Now, before we end, as I said, there are special universe messages as well for your life, because nothing better than a universe message to guide you and to reassure you about things in your life. Same way, I'm going to be choosing first for the pile 1, and then the next card will be for the pile 2. So first, let's see for the pile 1. Those who had chosen pile 1, what is the message for them? Now, for you, I see that there's going to be some sort of some memory, something of the past, some nostalgia of the past will come your way, and your emotions will feel, a lot of times everything is okay. We've done with everything. We've accepted, that something went wrong. But suddenly you end up seeing some image, you end up seeing some message, or you end up somebody coming up and saying something from the past that little bit disturbs you and makes you feel, the memory all over again. You go back to a memory all over again and you relive that moment, good or bad. But some memory of the past or some people of the past would unnecessarily come up and try to disturb you, or either in your reality or in your dreams or in your thought process. So, but this time you will that will clean your vision. So you will not see with that gravity or with that pain what you saw earlier when that event happened. So when that nostalgia comes up of past times, take it with grace and learn something from that mistake and not cry over that situation, is what universe has to say to you for your life. Now for pile 2, let's see what is going on. What does the universe have to let you know about your life and your current situation for pile 2. Now, for pile 2, it says currently seeking out an intellectual solution for your problems is exactly going to be at the utmost priority. As I said, there's going to be a lot of attention that you will get, and many people will come up to you. But give them intellectual solution. And also you need to seek intellectual solutions in your life and not think emotionally right now. Lock your emotions, lock your heart. literally don't think anything by your heart right now, is what universe is saying. And also right now there's going to be a need for you to act very quickly and very decisively. Trust me, you will have very limited time. It's like, take this flight or leave it. You will have little bit of seconds or minutes to decide that, and take that risky decision, take that intellectual decision, take that decision that has come from the brain, that will give you lot of luck, and your life will change really for the best in the best possible way if you take that seriously. So yeah, this is for the pile 2. Don't forget to like and also comment what more videos do you want. Subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.